In today's video, I'll show you how to see and manage layers in Canva, a simple trick that makes working with complex designs much easier. Start by selecting any element on your canvas, a text box, image, or shape. Then, right-click on it to open the context menu. Here, hover over the layer option and you'll see another menu appear. Click Show Layers. This opens Canva's layer panel where you can see all the elements in your design stacked in order, just like sheets of paper. From here, you can drag elements forward, send them backward, or rearrange them however you like. Layers are especially useful when you're working with overlapping objects, helping you fine-tune your design with precision. Instead of guessing what's on top or hidden behind, you now have full control. And that's it. With this quick trick, you can easily manage layers in Canva and make your workflow faster and more professional.